Welcome back, friends! In today's lineup, we're diving into some amazing upgrades built to take your pickup truck to the next level. From smart storage to rugged off-road gear, there's a lot of exciting tech waiting for you. When you need a secure and organized way to carry tools on your truck or off-road rig, the Rough Country rubber MOLLE clamps offer a simple and dependable solution. These adjustable clamps mount directly onto MOLLE panels, racks, trailers, or garage walls, giving you a clean way to hold shovels, axes, hoses, or other long-handled gear. It fits diameters from 1.75 to 2.5 inches and supports up to 50 pounds, while the smaller version handles items 1 to 2.25 inches with a 25-pound rating. Each clamp uses a durable rubber jaw that grips tightly and resists heat, cold, UV rays, and vibration, making them ideal for off-road conditions. Installation is quick and flexible, with the option to mount them vertically or horizontally depending on your setup. Their universal design and included hardware make them easy to integrate into any MOLLE system. For anyone who wants better cargo management and reliable tool storage, Rough Country's MOLLE clamps deliver strength, versatility, and everyday convenience. Keeping your truck bed organized while preventing your cargo from sliding around can be a real challenge. That's where the TRUXISTM Bed Divider comes in, a premium cargo management accessory built for pickup trucks of all kinds. Handcrafted in North America, this smart divider is made from high-quality anodized or powder-coated aluminum, ensuring long-lasting strength and corrosion resistance. It fits perfectly into the factory bed grooves of most trucks, with no drilling or permanent modification required. When needed, it easily swings into place to section off part of your bed near the tailgate, and when not in use, it folds neatly out of the way to restore full bed access. The design keeps heavy items like fuel cans, tools, and coolers from sliding forward while keeping frequently used gear within reach. Its tight fit and durable hinges prevent rattling, even during off-road trips. With optional add-ons like hooks and organizers, it can adapt to any setup. For truck owners who value durability, simplicity, and smart storage, the TRUXISTM Bed Divider is a practical solution that keeps every load secure and every trip more efficient. Imagine turning your regular pickup truck into a powerful dumping machine capable of hauling tons of material with ease. That's exactly what the Busy Dumper is designed to do. A heavy-duty dump insert bed that transforms your truck into a high-capacity dumping platform. Built in Rhode Island, it comes in multiple sizes, from 7 to 9 feet, making it ideal for contractors, landscapers, and heavy-duty workers. Its 12-gauge steel floor and 14-gauge steel sides, reinforced with Z-beam supports, give it incredible strength and durability. The hydraulic lift system raises and lowers smoothly, with models capable of dumping up to 6,000 pounds or nearly 3 tons of material. A double-acting removable tailgate allows for easy unloading of large or uneven loads. Installation is straightforward and can be done using standard tools, attaching securely to your truck's frame. Because of its power, users should ensure their truck's GVWR can handle the added stress and weight. With proper maintenance and care, the Busy Dumper delivers unmatched performance, combining durability, functionality, and efficiency for serious hauling jobs. Next, we have the C5 Rancher Bale Bed, a rugged and reliable truck bed designed specifically for farmers, ranchers, and heavy-duty work applications. Built in Kingman, Kansas, this bed transforms an ordinary pickup into a powerful hay-handling and hauling machine. It features synchronized hydraulic arms that move together to lift, haul, and unroll large bales with ease, perfect for everyday feeding and farm chores. The system runs on a fast, electric over-hydraulic power unit, about 12% quicker than previous models, and includes piloted check valves for safe, precise control. A free-float arm system helps unroll hay smoothly, even on uneven terrain, reducing waste and improving efficiency. Standard features include dual lifetime toolboxes, a heavy-duty louvered headache rack, LED lighting, and a tread plate steel floor for added durability. Available in multiple sizes to fit both single and dual-wheel trucks, it's designed to meet a wide range of needs. Backed by C5. Manufacturing's lifetime warranty on the arms and solid support on hydraulics, the Rancher Bale Bed offers incredible value for anyone who needs strength, simplicity, and long-term dependability in the field. Loading heavy vehicles like ATVs, UTVs, or snowmobiles onto a truck or trailer can be tricky and sometimes dangerous. That's why the Caliber RampPro 2.0 was created, a high-strength loading ramp designed to make the process smooth, stable, and safe. Built with a 52-inch wide and 90-inch long surface, it can handle loads of up to 1,500 pounds, making it ideal for both work and recreation. The ramp features low-pro grip glides, which provide excellent traction for tires and boots, even in snowy or wet conditions. It's compatible with snowmobile ski stances as narrow as 30 inches, allowing use year-round across multiple vehicle types. Its weather-resistant design includes a slotted fastening system that adjusts for temperature changes, and it comes with a lifetime warranty for added peace of mind. The retract straps secure it firmly in place, preventing slips during loading, while optional accessories like ramp grips and traction ladder HD boost versatility. Whether you're hauling gear for work or weekend adventures, the Caliber RampPro 2.0 combines safety, strength, and convenience in one dependable design. Meet XG Cargo, a US-based company redefining how off-road enthusiasts organize and transport their gear. Specializing in modular cargo systems, XG Cargo creates rugged storage solutions tailored for vehicles like the Jeep Wrangler and Ford Bronco. Their lineup includes sports bar storage bags, floor liners, cargo trays, and racks, all designed to fit seamlessly into factory mounting points. Built from military-grade materials, each product delivers the durability needed for overlanding, adventure travel, and daily use. One of their most popular innovations, the Gamma series, attaches directly to the roll bars, offering weather-resistant storage without taking up valuable interior space. Installation is simple, thanks to quick-release mounts and zip-on covers, allowing easy setup without tools or modifications. Proudly made in the USA, XG Cargo focuses on reliability, function, and smart design. Whether you're packing for a long trail ride or organizing your gear for work, XG Cargo products combine strength, versatility, and style to keep everything secure on and off the road. Imagine needing a tough storage box that can handle the outdoors without adding unnecessary weight to your truck or trailer. That's exactly what the DZ Poly Storage Chest is built for. Crafted from rigid polyethylene, it resists warping and features a double-walled lid to withstand daily wear in rugged environments. The lid includes molded-in cup holders, locking tabs for a padlock, and a foam gasket seal to help keep out dust and moisture when mounted in a truck bed or on a trailer. Available in multiple sizes, such as the popular 35-inch model, it provides around 3.6 cubic feet of storage space. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to move and install, yet it remains durable enough for tools, gear, and accessories. A raised bright tread pattern adds grip and visual style, while simple bolt or strap mounting allows flexible placement. Some users note that the seal is not completely waterproof, so careful mounting is recommended. Overall, the DZ Poly Storage Chest is a practical, corrosion-resistant solution for trucks, boats, garages, and workshops, offering reliable protection in a compact footprint. When you need extra cargo room without removing your truck topper, the TopperLift Lifting Kit offers a smart and flexible solution. This all-electric system connects directly to your truck's 12-volt battery and uses powerful linear actuators to raise the topper by about 17.5 inches, giving you more space for bulky gear, tools, or even camping setups. It can lift up to 900 pounds, making it strong enough for demanding use. You can install it on its own for extra hauling room, or pair it with optional packages, like the Weekender or Contractor kits, to turn your truck into a comfortable camper or mobile workstation. Installation is designed for DIY users, requiring only basic tools and secure mounting to the truck bed. With a simple control box featuring up and down buttons, the topper lifts smoothly and seals firmly when lowered. While it creates valuable interior headroom, it's important to note that driving with the topper raised is not recommended unless specified. Overall, the TopperLift Lifting Kit gives truck owners impressive versatility, making it easier to haul tall items or enjoy overnight adventures, all while keeping the convenience of a fixed topper. Securing loose cargo during transport can be challenging, especially when hauling small or uneven items that can easily shift. That's where the AgBoss full mesh cargo net shows its value. Unlike traditional open web nets, this design uses a full mesh panel that prevents even smaller objects from slipping through. The net is reinforced with strong perimeter webbing and heavy cross-stitching, giving it excellent tear resistance and stability. Multiple anchor points allow the load to be tightened evenly, reducing movement while you drive. It attaches quickly using tie-down straps and carabiner-style hooks, and folds compactly for easy storage when not in use. The material is UV treated to resist sun damage, making it suitable for year-round hauling. Whether you're carrying tools, firewood, camping gear, or farm supplies, the AgBoss full mesh cargo net keeps everything safely secured. It's a simple, durable solution built for anyone who wants safer hauling in a truck or trailer. When you want off-road recovery power without changing the look of your truck or SUV, the Rough Country Hidden Winch Mount Kit is a smart solution. This system lets you mount a winch discreetly behind the factory bumper, keeping your vehicle's original style while adding serious pulling capability. It's built from heavy-duty powder-coated steel to resist rust and trail abuse, and it can support most 9,000 to 12,000-pound winches. The kit uses existing frame mounting points for a mostly bolt-on installation, with all brackets and hardware included. A built-in fair lead plate feeds the winch cable cleanly through the bumper opening, protecting the winch from damage and theft. Most vehicles retain their tow hooks, airflow, and front sensor function after installation. It's a popular choice for overlanders and off-roaders who want capability without bulky aftermarket bumpers. With a limited lifetime warranty, the Rough Country Hidden Winch Mount Kit delivers strength, stealth, and dependable performance wherever you travel. That's all for today, friends. Thanks for riding along with us through the world of pickup truck upgrades. Until next time, keep your truck ready, your gear secured, and the adventure rolling. See you soon.